Right now, inside your cells, a silent decay is accelerating your aging process. By the time you reach age 40, the microscopic power generators inside your muscles, your mitochondria, have lost up to 50% of their efficiency. This energetic drop-off doesn't just make you feel tired. It actively drives cellular aging, leaving your body vulnerable to decline. But there is a way to reverse this decay. Think of mitochondria as billions of tiny power plants. They turn the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe into cellular energy. When they get damaged, they start leaking toxic molecules called free radicals, which damage your DNA. This state of low energy and high damage is what scientists call mitochondrial dysfunction, and it is a primary driver of biological aging. Fortunately, you can force your cells to rebuild these power plants from scratch using a specific type of exercise called Zone 2 cardio. This is a low-intensity, steady-state effort where you can still maintain a conversation, but are working hard enough to sweat. Think of it as a brisk walk, an easy jog, or a light cycle ride. When you train in Zone 2, you trigger two critical cellular responses. First, your body activates mitophagy, which is like a cellular garbage truck that sweeps away and recycles damaged, toxic mitochondria. Second, it stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, which is the birth of brand new, highly efficient power generators that keep your cells youthful. Look at this compelling scientific data. Over just 16 weeks of consistent Zone 2 training, the actual volume and overall efficiency of your cellular power plants can increase by nearly double. This massive surge in energy production directly lowers systemic inflammation, reduces oxidative stress, and repairs your cells from the inside out. But how do you know if your cells are actually getting younger? You can't just guess. This is where the true diagnostic test comes in. It is the definitive solution to measuring your actual biological age, rather than just the date on your birth certificate. By analyzing your DNA, True Diagnostic tracks your precise rate of aging using the state-of-the-art Dunedin-Pace algorithm. The Dunedin-Pace algorithm is like a speedometer for your body, measuring how fast you are aging at a cellular level. By taking a simple test before you start your Zone 2 protocol, and another a few months later, you can watch your biological pace of aging slow down in real time, proving that your cells are literally growing younger. To get these results, you need the right protocol. Aim for 150 to 200 minutes of Zone 2 cardio per week, broken down into sessions of 45 minutes or more. Why 45 minutes? Because it takes about 20 minutes of continuous movement for your cells to fully activate the pathways that trigger mitochondrial cleanup and renewal. During Zone 2, your body relies almost entirely on fat for fuel rather than sugar. This builds metabolic flexibility. Think of your body transitioning from a hybrid car that constantly needs refueling to a highly efficient engine that can run for thousands of miles. It keeps your blood sugar stable and prevents the energy crashes that accelerate aging. Rebuilding your mitochondria doesn't just add years to your life, it adds life to your years. By maintaining youthful cellular power plants, you preserve your mobility, protect your brain health, and significantly lower your risk of age-related diseases, ensuring you stay vibrant and active well into your 80s and 90s. Now that you know how to rebuild your cells with Zone 2 cardio, you need to optimize the second half of the cellular recovery equation, deep sleep. Click on our next video right here, where we break down the science of sleep-induced autophagy and the exact nightly protocols to maximize your cellular repair.